Hello guys, welcome to the channel the Amazicellent Hacker. Today I'm going to show you how to configure proxy in Mozilla Firefox for BurpSuite. So before getting into the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Open the Burp first. So I have opened the Burp and let's create the proxy on Firefox. To do that, just click on this menu and then click on Preferences. Okay, after that just scroll it to the bottom and go on Network Setting. Click on Settings. Okay, then just click on Manual Proxy Settings, and in HTTP proxy just type your loopback adapter address. It's 122.27.0.0.1 and port number is 8080. Okay, then click on this. Also use this proxy for FTP and HTTPS. After that just select OK. Okay, now when we open any site, let's check if the proxy works or not. Okay, so I tried opening TryHackMe and it actually sent me to Barb. You can see her. So now actually we can open HTTP site using Barb, but we cannot open more secured site. So we need to add certificates. To do that, just go to this site called https Barb. So you are just welcome with this screen. Just click on CA certificate and click on save file. Just download the file. Okay, after you download the files, let's go to preferences again. Okay, then search for certification. Okay, you can see here there is certificates. Then click on select one. Okay, then click on view certificates. Okay, after that go to import. Then go to your download location and just add the certificate you downloaded. This is csr.dar. It already exists for me. Then click OK. Now you can, so you have successfully added the Bob certificates also. But opening up proxy and proxy configuration and preferences every time is a little bit difficult. So just add a extension in Firefox called FoxyProxy. Just type in Google FoxyProxy Mozilla extension. Just click on this FoxyProxy standard. Okay, so after that just click here install, but I have already done it. So there is a remove button. So if you haven't installed it, there will be an install button. Just add install. Okay, after that this icon appears here, FoxyProxy, and then just click on options. Okay, then just click on add, rename it anything. So just rename it Bob Proxy. Okay, proxy type just leave it default. Just in proxy IP just add 127.0.0.1 and in port number 8080. So if you want to add other ports, you can just go in burp and option, and in proxy listeners just click add and select other IPs and port also. So just click save. Okay, then you don't need to use proxy in this preferences anymore, so I'm gonna just disable it. Now I'm going to use FoxyProxy for the tasks. Okay, now our proxy is actually working. You can see here that it just intercepted this room and just up.